I told you to take them back, and you kept them! Now
Look what you did, you little jerk!
We do have some discipline issues.
Eating kids is not a discipline issue.
But you spit them out.
Well, that's super. Let's give him a gold star. Kid of the week! They don't belong here, Sid. Whatever they are, wherever you found them, take them back.
Danny, I'm not getting rid of my kids.
Wait, did you hear that?
You what? Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Mama's here. Do earthquakes shriek?
That's not good.
I thought those guys were extinct.
Well, then that is one angry fossil.
Come inside.
This way, get out of
And I'm scared.
Oh no.
Don't move. I think our camouflage is working.
I am so dead.
You know, it's times like this where I really like to say,
Don't cry. We are poor little lambs who have lost our way.
Sid! Give them to her! She's their mother!
How do I know she's their mother?
What do you want, a birth certificate? She's a dinosaur!
Well, I put in the blood, sweat, and tears to raise them.
For a day! Give them back, you lunatic!
Look, these are my kids. And you're gonna have to go through me to get them.
Don't you have anything better to do?